Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. First, my name is Maisha Ramadona. I'm a student of dentistry at the Sriwijaya University. And please for my friend to introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Sartika. I'm from Universitas Sriwijaya majoring in sociology.
Hello Nurul, would be interested if we discuss a story next?
Wow, what's a great idea. Of course, I'm interested.
I will display the text.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, wait.
Okay,
What do you think is the topic of discussion in the story?
the topic is about the world of meaning in the Comstock lot being hampered because water flooded their workplace.
And in my opinion, Comstock also has problems such as the water being so hot that it reaches 64 Celsius in some place.
That's right. Can you imagine how hot the water is?
I'm really scared if I have to imagine it.
They also work for a long time, meaning it's not possible a depth below 1,000 meters.
I think it will take them months or even years to complete the text.
Do you have dreams of working in a mine?
Not at the moment, but the now, what the future holds. How about you?
Same as your answer. I don't know what the future holds.
Take a look in the second paragraph at how many miners died.
Yes, it's really sad. What's about the people who were left behind?
Of course, I really feel lost.
They also work into nails.
Yes, that's right. Even though it has been ventilated, I still feel how dark and damp the place is.
Yes, that's right, especially since it's 6 kilometers long.
They also risk physical and financial risks.
Yes, that's right. Only two people can finish the job.
From this story, I see how extraordinary the mine works are.
And also just found out that the water, the apparatus, the reach 45 degree.
Hopefully, the miners can always be careful when working.
Of course, that has become their priority before work.
How does this next interest you?
Of course, because from the text of this story, I gains a lot of knowledge.
Thanks goodness then. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. See you soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Nurul. See you.
See you.